WJMB. Today is Tuesday, April 3rd. I am Joey McChilton.
And I'm Caroline Gilmore.
Reminder to students, third quarter ends Friday. Get your grades now. Don't wait. The Sign Language Service Club is collecting donations. Help the children at the Maryland School for the Deaf donate winter weather gear for a good cause. Club members, this is one of your service project opportunities. You are required to participate in one of them to be eligible to run for office next month. Thank you.
Attention writers, poet and professor Jerry Lafamina will conduct a poetry workshop on Thursday, April 5th in E210 from 3 to 4 p.m. Bring a piece of writing you want to workshop. See Mrs. Cooper if you have any questions. NHS members need to submit their Bucks for Books contributions by Friday, April 20th. Please take care of this as soon as possible and bring your books to E217.
Girls tennis improved to 3-0 with a win over Washington High School Tuesday. The team has only lost one set this season. In sports this weekend, baseball triumphed over Southern 15-8. Baseball also seized the win over St. Vincent Pallotti 9-5.
Cabaret auditions are coming up. Are you ready to show off your culture? Tryouts are later this week. Have you considered a career in cosmetology? Here is more information on the CTE Cosmetology program. For more information on any of the CTE programs, contact your guidance counselor.
What you might not know about CTE.
Students in cosmetology learn all phases of the profession: hair cutting, hair styling, facials, makeup, nails, pedicures. In this program, in their senior year, we go through salon management, so they understand all the aspects of owning their own salon. They understand about doing taxes, creating a budget, all types of insurances, all the requirements for state, local, and federal laws and regulations. So they understand about opening a salon, but they're also prepared to go out for the real world.
We're learning how to work together, how to deal with other people in a small space, responsibility.
It's a great opportunity for young girls, young women that want to own their own business and be successful and have a great life.
It's more of challenging because you're learning new things. If you do this, job opportunities will come around and you could possibly own your own salon one day.
That's all we have for you today, JMB.
Have a great day, JMB.